to June. Can you believe our year is coming to an end? That's right, the NSA fiscal year ends in June and restarts in July. So a couple things for you. Number one, everyone's membership dues will end in June. Therefore, if you'd like to be an NSA member again, your renewal will start in July moving forward. Now, we are changing membership dues to no longer be prorated. So it'll be an annual rolling subscription. So if you register and become a member in August, you will then expire in the next August. If you register in May, you'll expire next May. So no longer will everyone just end in June and everyone renew in July. We're going more of a subscription base for you, so it's a little easier to do budgeting, and our team thought it would be more appropriate for that. Also, this is my last membership video. As you can imagine, we are transitioning into the new board role starting in July, and so you'll see me move into the position to serve as president. And I am so excited about what is ahead for us. And just to give you a little insight, the whole goal next year is to add more value to our target audience. Do you know who our target audience is? Here it is. Anyone who makes a living with the spoken word. So that includes keynotes for sure, but it also includes trainers and coaches and pastors and comedians and educators and anyone who makes a living with the spoken word. Get ready for monthly webinars where we will be breathing in more business acumen on marketing, contracts, how to run your business. If it doesn't matter if it's a coaching business or a keynote business or training or more. All that matters is that we are in the same sandbox. We're making a living with the spoken word. So how can we provide value to you more and more? Watch for webinars happening every month, open to the public to be able to attend and grow your business. Also, we're working with 4 other organizations. We make the 5th one in that, so 5, not 10, 5. And we are working on a big event to really bring in-house and connect everyone that works together. And a lot of what you see at our joint happy hours already. It's the first event of its kind, and we will be taking the lead on it as how do we provide more value for those who make their living with the spoken word. As you can tell, there's more things coming for you. Stay tuned and follow us on our social media channels, and you'll be updated as soon as things happen. It's been a pleasure working with you this year, and I really hope to see you at our upcoming June meeting where we celebrate all of our hard work this year and really bring the year in on a close and a great note. Thanks again. I'll see you there.